What would happen if the moon suddenly collided with Earth? If the moon were to leave its orbit and directly rush towards Earth, it would fragment upon reaching Roche's limit. Roche's limit refers to the distance at which a celestial body's self-gravitational force equals another celestial body's gravitational pull. When two celestial bodies are closer than this limit, the smaller one is usually torn apart, forming rings around or other small celestial bodies. Therefore, before the moon reaches Earth's surface, it will be torn apart, creating an extremely sight. All craters end on the moon would disintegrate into beautiful fragments that circle Earth's equator, forming a ring of diameter 37,000 kilometers. This would make Earth the second planet in our solar system to have such an impressive ring. The difference is that our ring won't last long. The moon's fragments will gradually fall onto Earth, similar to thousands of minor planets landing simultaneously, dispersing entire cities, while Earth would face disaster at this time. Due to the moon providing climate stability, helping biological development, but now this balance has been broken, ecosystems being destroyed globally. As the moon approaches, Earth's gravity changes. It might slightly tip over and trigger a global flood. You will notice an immense wave sweeping through the streets, heading towards you. You see water flooding the city, powerful currents washing away all cars, the entire city quickly falling into disaster. Billions of tons of magma colliding with the ocean, billions of tons of water evaporating, moisture rising into the air, mixing with ashes to form huge cumulus clouds that flood the land. As the moon tears apart, massive fragments destroy everything in their path. All space junk and satellites lose function. Humans also lose communication and navigation means, forcing people to rely on paper maps again. The moon once maintained Earth's orbit at a specific angle. Now the axis tilts, causing one hemisphere to be closer to the sun, while the other half is in shadow. The polar circle may become a hot desert, and the equatorial region may be covered by ice. The remains of the moon fly around Earth. But some of these fragments fall onto our planet, creating cities destroyed by meteorite rain, forming enormous craters. All these events lead to a mass extinction of Earth life. Adapting to this new world may take hundreds of thousands of years. However, you will never see such a sight. In fact, the moon is moving away from us at a rate of 4 centimeters per year. In this context, we can continue to enjoy our current world and focus on protecting Earth's environment and ecosystems.